So you've heard people say you can make money online just by filling out surveys. It sounds too easy, right? Let's be clear. Online surveys won't make you rich, but they can provide consistent side income, especially if you're just starting online and want momentum. This video is a calm, focused walkthrough. No hype, no shortcuts, just what works in 2025. If you've never made money online, pause everything else and write this down. My job right now is to learn how value flows online, because once you understand that, you can build on it. Not just with surveys, but with freelancing, digital products, affiliate income, and more. Now, how do online surveys actually work? Companies and researchers want insights from real people. Your responses help them improve products, test ads, or make decisions. And that's what you're paid for. Not your opinion, your data. You're not just filling surveys. You're participating in the data economy. In the middle are platforms called survey aggregators. They connect you to the companies and handle the payments. Your job is to find legit ones, use your time wisely, and avoid scams. Here's where beginners go wrong. They join low-paying sites, waste time, get frustrated, or worse, give up completely. So let's clean that up. These are trusted platforms in 2025. Prolific.com. Great pay, academic surveys, simple to use. Respondent.io. High-paying research studies. Requires good profiles. YouGov.com. Political and social surveys. Slower payouts, but legit. Pinecone Research. High-paying and consistent, though often invite-only. Taluna, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars. Lower pay but helpful when stacked. Take a moment to write these names down or screenshot them. You'll want to explore each one later. Here's what to look for in a good platform. 1. Transparent payments. 2. Low withdrawal thresholds. 3. Verified user reviews. 4. No fees to join. 5. Frequent surveys. If a site doesn't meet most of those, skip it. Now let's talk numbers. What's realistic? Prolific. $20-$40 per week. Respondent. $50-$150 per study, less frequent. Others combined, $10-$25 per week. Not life-changing, but useful if you're disciplined, and it can cover bills, savings, or reinvestment into learning more advanced skills. Which brings us to your next step. Treat this like a job. Set a daily time block, 45 minutes to 1 hour. Mornings and evenings are best for survey availability. Keep a simple spreadsheet or use Notion to track. Sites you joined, your login info. Current balances, withdrawal dates. Doing this keeps you organized and consistent. 2 habits that will serve you for every future income stream. Now here's something that's changing the game. AI is reshaping survey platforms. Systems are better at spotting fake responses and bots. That means your attention to detail, consistency, and profile accuracy matter more than ever. If you want to stay ahead, I highly recommend my book ChatGPT Secrets for Steady Cashflow. One chapter shows how to use AI to optimize your online work, not just for surveys, but across multiple digital income streams. You'll learn how to use automation ethically, streamline your process, and build smarter habits. Grab the book in the description below. https seller.com EB7474. And if this video is helping so far, tap the like button. That tells YouTube this is content worth recommending to more learners like you. In the next section, we'll build your survey stack, a system to maximize income from multiple platforms without wasting time or energy. So now you know which survey sites are legit. But how do you actually use them in a smart, repeatable way? Let's build your survey stack. This means combining a few high-quality platforms into a daily routine so you can make the most money without wasting time. Step 1. Start with one high-paying platform like Prolific or Respondent. Set up a clean, complete profile. Be honest, detailed, and turn on notifications so you never miss an invite. These sites select you based on profile matching, not just speed. Step 2. Add a mid-range platform like YouGov or Pinecone. These won't flood you with surveys, but they're reliable. If Pinecone accepts you, it's one of the highest paying. Step 3. Use low-effort platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Taluna during idle time, like when watching videos or waiting for something. They don't pay much per task, but the time cost is low. Write this down. Use focus time for high-paying surveys. Use idle time for low-effort ones. This structure turns survey taking into something sustainable. Here's a simple daily routine. Morning. Check prolific or respondent first. These go fast. Spend 10-15 minutes on available studies. Record your earnings and progress in a tracker. Afternoon. Optional. Use swag bucks or inbox dollars while multitasking. Do small tasks like polls, watch videos, or bonus streaks. Evening. Check prolific and pinecone again. Some surveys come in late. Withdraw if you've hit the minimum threshold. This system works, but here's where most beginners fall off. They think, this is just small money. What they miss is that consistency with small income builds the habits you need for bigger income later. If you can show up daily for surveys, you're already learning the foundation of remote work, time discipline, and digital earning. This is how you train yourself to transition into real money, content creation, freelancing, or affiliate income. Now, can any part of this be automated? Yes, but only to assist, not replace you. Use tools like auto-refresh browser extensions for prolific or respondent, form filler extensions to save time, only when appropriate, AI tools like ChatGPT to summarize long survey instructions for understanding, not cheating. If you want to learn how to use AI responsibly to improve your online income, check out my book, ChatGPT Secrets for Steady Cashflow. Link is in the description. https sealer.com /EB7474. It's not just about surveys. I show you how to use AI to build leverage, automate simple workflows, and start transitioning into higher income activities. Let's quickly cover payouts. Prolific, weekly PayPal. Respondent, PayPal or direct bank deposit. Swagbucks, inbox dollars. PayPal or gift cards after reaching thresholds. YouGov. Point system, converted to cash or vouchers. Always check the payout terms before committing too much time. Also, be aware that some sites deactivate inactive accounts, so stay consistent even if it's just once or twice a week. Bonus tip. If you're multilingual or have niche knowledge, join international panels like Mobrog or LifePoints. Fewer people qualify for these, so payouts are often higher with less competition. Now here's the part most people don't expect. There's a way to turn your daily survey habit into long-term content, even if you never show your face and don't call yourself a creator. I'll break it down step by step in the next video. For now, write this somewhere visible. If I can earn $5 online, I can earn $500. The method changes, not the mindset. If this video helped you, drop a comment with one platform you're going to try this week. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do that now. I'm building a digital classroom for smart, honest income, and you're part of it. In the next episode, I'll show you how to turn your survey time into something bigger, something that builds your digital footprint and opens new doors. You won't want to miss it. So let's wrap this up with clarity. Online surveys in 2025 are not a joke, but they're also not a jackpot. They're a gateway, a way to train your brain to exchange time for digital income instead of distractions. You've seen how to pick legit platforms, how to stay consistent, how to protect your time and privacy, and how to transform survey taking into digital leverage. Now it's time to act. Don't just watch this and scroll away. Take 15 minutes right after this video. Sign up for one survey site. I recommend Prolific or Respondent. Then take one actual survey, screenshot it, write down what you earned and how long it took. That one tiny move makes you part of the 1% who do, not just consume. Want to multiply your results? Pair this with the tools in my book ChatGPT Secrets for Steady Cashflow. If you liked how practical and calm this video was, the book goes 10 steps deeper. It's your blueprint for creating real online cash flow, even if you're starting from zero. You don't need hype, you need process. You don't need to quit your job today. You need proof that digital money works and that you can earn it on purpose. You've already taken the first step. The next one is momentum. Like this video if you learned something. Drop a comment telling me your biggest takeaway or what you're trying next. And hit subscribe. because in the next video, I'll show you how to build a simple income stack that works even if you have no experience and 0 followers.